moments later.
For the word KKTM, we use the Anchor font to make it look neater. While the word Dadao, we use the Pacifico font to create the connection. As a decoration, we add a love shape to the keychain. After preparing all the fonts, we save the file in the format DXF to export on the Onshape website. Export the file in Onshape and then extrude all the font parts. Then, we create a border to insert PCB and extrude that part too. And then, near to the border, we also make a hole to insert the keychain. The last step, we make a rectangular hole to insert the LED. Next, we use Ultimate Kakura to make the support, and the design is ready to print. We use the Proteus to make a schematic design and PCB layout.
we will enter the important part, which is printing. The time taken for this printing, which is 2 hours and 30 minutes long. The first layer is filament printing process.
A few moments later.
And this is the second layer of filament printing process. It can be seen in the second layer, use the blue filament that create unity, and the first filament layer.
A few moments later.
The look like when it finish printing. Entering to the next step, which is loading to the LED into the font to the hole that has been made. At this stage, we need to be careful not to damage the filament or the LED. This is because the LED is stiff and too hard to touch. While the filament has relatively small hole, make it looks difficult to insert.
A few moments later.
So this is the look like after inserting the LED. To ensure our success, after loading the LED, we need to turn it to illuminates the entire font or not.
And now we are finally entering the final phase before completion of this mini project. In this phase, we need to assemble the PCB, battery holder and LED as shown. To combine them, we will use soldering method so that it sticks firmly. At this time, we will tell you about the twists and turns we faced while completing this project. At first, we had a little difficulty with the font design because it was quite small to fit the LED inside. To overcome this problem, we changed the font size letter by letter so that the size after merging was according to the specific scale. Next, we face problem of LED breaking easily if touch even slightly hard. So we had to be very careful when loading the LED into the filament. And when entering the soldering phase, the problem that comes is that the small component make it difficult for us to solder the component. We need to be very carefully during the soldering phase so that the solder air does not touch the filament and end up melting it. That's all. Enjoy the video.
So this is the look after soldering all the components, and after putting the battery in, it can be seen that the PCB and the LED is working successfully.